Okay, so now we're gonna unbox a door alarm. I don't have any batteries right here, so I won't be piercing your ears. But if you have a kid that sneaks out, or a business, or you just want to know if anybody opens your front door and tries to come through it, this will help. Sorry about my hand there, but I'm gonna readjust that a little bit. Okay. So, in this particular set, there are 4 of these little door alarms. So, 4. And then a little tiny thing with instructions. Operating instructions here. Okay. These are by Fossmon. And I'll put a link in the description for you guys. I got these from Amazon. So, opening the little baggie here with the alarms in it. And my reason for needing this is gone, so they'll probably be showing up on a for sale site near you real soon. Had them for a couple months, but okay. So actually, they have batteries in them. So they come with batteries. So you guys ready to hear them? It's got 2 options. It's got chime. We're going to start with that. An alarm. Chime. Well, maybe I can't make it work without actually putting it up. I don't know. Okay, so I don't know how to make it go. Oh, I bet there's one of those little battery protector things in here. There it is. Ready? We're going to pull that out. Oh, I dropped a battery. Okay, hold on. So I got rid of the battery thing. But now let's see if I put the batteries in right. Now that I've dropped them. Woo, yep, they're in right. They're in. Okay, that was fun, huh? Let's turn it off this time. That was chime, by the way. That wasn't alarm.
That was a crying baby.
My son said that sounded like a crying baby. It was loud anyway. Scared the hell out of me. Okay, so. This has a little sticky thing. So you put that on the one part of the door and this on the other part of the door. Probably actually like this. And then when the 2 are separated, you hear a noise. Let's see if it works, okay? Oh, please don't block it. There we go. Woohoo! Okay, so that's chime. Now let's try alarm. Really quick. Oh, I actually like the one better than chime. Okay, so that was your eardrums. These are the door alarms. There's 4 in this box. They come with different quantities. There'll be a link in the description. Bye.